I'm really excited about this one. So I wanted to do pan shots where you kind of do like you can have a video slider. You can buy a video slider, or you can do like pan shots or rotation shots. There we go. Okay, so this is what we got. So what do we got? We got the remote control, which is awesome. It's remote controlled. The button, so you don't have to play with it. We got the little manual and a little instruction booklet. Another manual. Video Dolly. A little thing. We got a USB cable for charging, which is a USB to micro adapter. USB to micro cable. And this is the little dolly we got. There it is, with remote control. So control, play, stop, speed 1, 2, 3 speed, and reverse, forward or backward. Okay, take a look in here. We got a camera adapter, perfect, both sides, and our Neewer video dolly. So there's the video dolly, very nice, solid construction, metal or aluminum. This is adjustable, so you can move this up and down. Wheels, so we open this up. It looks like this. So here there's a motor, this is the wheel that drives, and these ones just spin. On this side we got on and off and a USB charging cable. Actually it came with a USB charging, micro USB charging cable. I was just charging it. So let's turn it on. Once you turn it on, we got 3 lights, so this tells me what speed it is. So you can go speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, and this is on and off. Forward, backward, faster, faster. So there it is, here's the remote control. So play, reverse, and reverse, and faster, and faster, reverse, pause. If we turn the wheels a little bit at the angle and put a subject in between, we have put a camera here, it will rotate around the subject. Also, if we put it like this, you can let's put this little guy in here. So this is how it looks. This is what comes with it, and it comes with an adapter. But what you need, you probably do need a ball head adapter. I did buy. So camera like this, and my ball head adjustment. So there you go, the ball head adjustment, my subject, and remote control. There you go. My subject. I'm gonna go around them. If you want to get a little unit like this, click in the description. There'll be a link below. So go ahead and grab it. And if you like this review and you like this channel, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. and click subscribe so when my new reviews come out, you can go ahead and get a notification. Have a great day. See you guys. Bye-bye.